American pride, quality, and excellent service. These are the benchmarks of BETENBENDER hydraulic shears, proudly made in the USA in Coggan, Iowa. Since 1972, BETENBENDER shears have tackled the high demands of quality metal fabrication facilities worldwide by manufacturing the best built, longest lasting, and easiest to use shears on the market today. In fact, one of the first BETENBENDER shears built over 40 years ago is still in operation today. A precision steel cut doesn't just happen by chance. It takes a shear that can make a razor-sharp cut time after time. And BETENBENDER overdriven and underdriven hydraulic shears are designed to do just that. With 8 models to choose from, there is a BETENBENDER shear to meet your precise production needs. Shears range in size from 2 feet to 16 feet wide, with the ability to shear material ranging from light gauge steel up to 1 1/4 inch mild steel. BETENBENDER can also design custom shears to handle virtually any shearing need. With an advanced hydraulic system and flexible operation, BETENBENDER designs simplicity and safety into every shear, making them easy to operate, easy to maintain, and able to withstand the rigors of today's high production demands. BETENBENDER shears utilize an open bed design for shearing. The first 24 inches of the bed is solid, with rail supports every 16 inches thereafter. The entire bed top is smooth for easy material positioning and comes standard with a 4-foot squaring arm and inlaid scale for precise measurements. Optional tabletop segments are bolted in place, but can be easily removed or modified to accept a variety of pin gauges, fixtures, and accessories to aid in your specific operation. The sturdy back gauge and rake angle adjustment minimizes twist and distortion, making it possible to increase the rake angle for cutting heavier stock. The back gauge can be set to cut material up to 36 inches deep. The depth is set using the digital back gauge position panel, which is mounted on the front control panel. The entire back gauge assembly is protected by shock-absorbing springs designed to cushion the load as material is inserted. The power-adjustable variable rake allows the operator to quickly change the rake angle to adjust for the type of material and thickness being sheared. The rake angle is set with the up-down toggle switch on the front control panel. To ensure a precision cut, BETENBENDER's hydraulic self-compensating hold-down bar assembly securely holds material in place during the shearing cycle. The first 2 hold-down plungers are placed side by side to securely hold smaller pieces. Hold-down plungers are then positioned at 4-inch centers for the first 24 inches and 8-inch centers for the remainder of the width of the shear. This system provides maximum clamping force for safe operation and accurate cuts time after time. Precision tolerances of plus or minus 5/1000ths of an inch of the back gauge setting improve your bottom line by eliminating material waste and additional machining. BETENBENDER shears utilize high-quality, shock-resistant reversible knives, which provide 4 separate edges for long blade life. For shearing harder materials such as stainless steel, high carbon and high chrome blades are available. Changing or reversing blades can normally be done in less than 4 hours, keeping your downtime to a minimum. Front-mounted electronics put all the controls of your BETENBENDER shear at the operator's fingertips. Start-stop, variable rake, back gauge, and run-jog controls are contained in an all-steel enclosure mounted on the front of the machine. The LED readout comes standard with inch and metric readings. For additional safety, the fully guarded 2-position 110-volt foot switch lets the operator interrupt the cutting stroke at any point in the cycle. BETENBENDER can also help optimize your production needs with a variety of options like a segmented tabletop, front support arms for cutting wide material, disappearing stops for front gauging, and ball transfers for smooth movement of heavy material on the bed top. And the built-in one-shot lubrication system sends grease to all lubrication points at the same time, keeping your machine in top running condition. BETENBENDER stands behind each shear with an unmeasured level of service. We carry a full line of replacement parts for all machines, and in most cases can ship replacement parts overnight to get you up and running fast. Most parts are proudly made in the USA, with many of our suppliers being in close proximity to BETENBENDER's centrally located manufacturing facility. This not only means quicker turnaround times for replacement parts, but also allows BETENBENDER's engineers to better customize your shear to your specific needs. There are over 3,500 BETENBENDER machines in use worldwide today. Whether you're cutting light gauge material or 1 1/4 inch mild steel, BETENBENDER has a shear to meet your fabrication needs. If it says BETENBENDER on the nameplate, you've got a machine that will do the job.